Hello guys, I am Naveen. Hope you are doing good. Today's video is about the top platforms to find the remote jobs. Remote jobs are the hottest things in the industry right now. So are going to see one of the six platforms where you can get the remote jobs. Okay, let's get started. First, we are going to see one of the things, flex jobs. You can just sign up using your email ID, and you can start searching for your jobs, whichever category, whichever niche you are searching. You can find the remote jobs. It based on country, or some of the jobs will be available up to worldwide level. So there's a chance of getting hiring in this platform is pretty good. As you can see, there are the platforms which are hiring through them are listed here, like one of the top business partners like CNBC, CNN. They also listed here. You can check it out. Next, we are going to see Fiverr. This is not the full-time job, but by doing your free, you can do your freelance work. You can get clients. After that, you can maybe convert it to full-time job that based on your effort. But again, for working professionals or any college students can get benefited by doing freelance. They can earn extra income for their living. So Fiverr is one of the top choice while doing freelance. Next platform we are going to see is Upwork, which is also a competitor to Fiverr. You guys can apply to both places. You can see with in long term whichever suits you, and you can just shift it to one place. But initially you can apply to both the platforms. You can see where you are getting the clients, whichever work for you, that based on yours. You can do any of the choices. Like in favor also, you can choose any platform which you are interested and where you are proficient, like AI services or writing a content writer or video editor or graphics or programming, whichever suits you. Every service is available to you. You can list your services and you can get paid for it. Upwork also same. They can also doing the same things. You can give your whatever services you are trying to provide. You can list out there and you can wait for the clients. You can once you are getting the clients, whichever the cost what you are listing, that's only we are seen by the clients. So the cost is yourself only. You are going to decide your value. Platforms will charge platform charges, which will be included above your charge. So it's under the terms and condition. You can see see what the policies they are saying, but it will not be covered in this video. Okay, next we are going to see tuning. One of the upcoming platform is Turing, where you can accelerate your career with UA. The AI-based companies are hiring through these platforms. You guys can apply to the jobs by uploading your profile and your experience. The jobs will be recommended to you. You can just need to give your test based on your software. This platform is for software related work only. Sorry for like data scientist or developer or project lead, or sometimes they are hiring content creator, like content writer. You can just see the job listing and you can apply through there by uploading your profile. They list out the matching jobs for you. You can give the test and hiring team will see whether uh, you are suitable for the job. Then they will send you the mail, and further meetings will be held on. And another one platform we are going to see is LinkedIn. As as you guys already guessed while starting the video itself, LinkedIn will be there because it is one of the top choice while searching the job. Because most of the professionals are already into this platform. You can connect with them. You can message through them. They lot of the jobs are now placed in LinkedIn jobs only. You can get hired. You can connect with the direct recruiter. You can send a message. You can connect with the networking people. You can build your network, so it will be uh, benefit able to you in a long term. You can connect, and you can your network will show your profile to the recruiter, so they are a little bit confidence about your work, so it will boost your chance of hiring. That's what I am coming to say. And lastly, we are going to see one of the platform now, free. You can also search for remote companies like you can see startup, MNC, remote marketing. You can see whatever the criteria category. You can the jobs are listed. You can get you can just upload your profile, fill out the fields whichever they are asking. You can just look for it, and you can get the managers can be contacting you them email. You can give the test with once you are shortlisted, and your process will be go on, and you will finally, once you are suitable for the job, you will be get hired. So most of these platforms are free only. There is some platform having premium versions, but initially while job searching, if you are comfortable with free versions, you can get go with it. Most preferably, if free itself enough for most of the people. Even though if you are facing difficulties, you can just look for premium job whether it is suitable for you. Premium version of the platform is suitable for you. If it is suitable, then you can try so. But initially, I will recommend to go with free version itself. Mm, If you guys see any of the platform you want to do, I want to go through it, you can just leave a comment down here. I'll surely reply if I can. Thank you. I think you hope this video will help you in job findings. Hope then have a nice day. See you guys in my next video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you soon, guys.